Hello and welcome to lesson number 18. Today we will try to answer the question, what did you do yesterday? Okay. The aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about yesterday. So that means what we did yesterday. It's kind of routines that we had yesterday. Okay. So let's begin. So it is similar to what you do every day. You have to change some words. Okay. So for example, you can say yesterday. So your voice goes up. Yesterday, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So what happened to this one? We changed wake to woke. Yeah. So every day you wake up. Okay. But in the past, for yesterday, last week, it will become woke. Right? Woke up together. So again, yesterday I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So in the morning together. All right, 3 words together. All right, in the end, down to show more feelings. Okay. Then you can say, then I brushed my teeth. Okay. So this is D, but when you say it will become T, it will change to brushed. Okay, brushed. Why? Because of sh, and so it's difficult to say d because this is sh. Okay, there's no vibration, no movement, very soft, so it will also be soft t. Okay, brushed. Then I brushed teeth. I exercise for 40 minutes. Okay, why? Because t and s, soft, so the ending is s. Okay, exercised, because this is z, so it should be d. So here the ending is d. Okay, exercised for 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, I took a shower at 8 o'clock. Okay, so go down again. So take, yeah, take will become took. I took a shower at 8 o'clock. I had. So what happened here? Have, for every day we say I have. Have will change to had. Okay, it's past. I had breakfast at 8:30 a.m. So we don't say 8:30 o'clock, okay? We say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock, but 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, okay? Or 1:15, we don't say o'clock, we say a.m., okay, for the morning, and we say p.m. for the evening. If you see the last lesson, you would remember this one. Okay, then you can say I went to work at 9 o'clock. So go down here. Okay, went, what is it? Went. So present we say go. So every day you go, I go, we go to work. But yesterday I went to work at 9 o'clock. Okay, same here. Or you can say I went to school at 9 o'clock, or I went to university at 9 o'clock. Right? Again, drop your voice. Okay, and then again, have will become had. I had lunch at 1 p.m. You can also say 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, but p.m. is okay. Yeah, after 12 in the afternoon, you can say p.m. Then you can say I went back home at 6 p.m. Okay, again, went is what? Go. Okay, I went back home at 6 p.m. You can change the time, yeah, 8 p.m., 10 p.m., 7 p.m. In the evening, I use social media for 2 hours. Why z here, right? Because r, z. If I say r and s, it's difficult to say. Hours, hours. Okay. So easy to say hours, hours. Again, I forgot here. So in the evening, I used social media. Used. Okay. It's not used. It will used. So this ending is d. Okay. Used. Use social media. Social media like Facebook, YouTube. Yeah. Later, I had dinner with my family at 8 p.m. 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Okay, at 8 o'clock at night. So if you say o'clock, you have to say morning, at night. So in the morning, okay, in the evening, or at night. Again, so later I had dinner with my family at 8 p.m. I chatted. See, it will become like this. Double T-E-D, chatted. So when you have t or d ending, it will become id, okay? I-D, when you say it. So, not chatted, chatted, tid. Okay? I chatted, talked, again, k and t. So it will become t. When you say it, because k, very soft, so very soft. I talked with my family at night. I chatted with my family at night. I talked with my family at night. You can change, yeah, my family, my brother, my friends, yeah, my best friend. I went again, remember? Go. I went to bed at 10 p.m. Okay, I went to bed at 10 p.m. Okay. Alright, so this is the question. If somebody asks you, what did you do yesterday? So again down, you would say, yesterday I woke up, yeah, you can say it together. I woke up at 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. So, you know, these two in morning, you can say them together, okay, in the morning. Then I brushed teeth. So together I brushed, yeah, remember, brushed teeth. And exercised, yeah, for 40 minutes. Okay. I took a shower at 8 o'clock and had breakfast at 8:30 a.m. Go down again. Again, go will become went, yeah. I went to work at 9 o'clock. For this part, I'm using like office, work, okay. You can also say I went to school, okay, I went to university. I had lunch at 1 p.m. and I went back home at 6 p.m. Okay. In the evening, I used social media for 2 hours. Later, yeah, I had dinner at 8 p.m. I chatted. Okay, you remember id? It will become id, yeah. I chatted with my family at night and then went to bed at 10 p.m. And in the end, you can say, what about you? Okay, same question. We always ask that question. Also remember, when you have an and, maybe here go a little high. Yeah, why? The sentence is not finished, right? The same thing happens here as well. Okay, and here as well. Okay, and here also. So let me read again non-stop. Okay, so the question is, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I brushed teeth and exercised for 40 minutes. I took a shower at 8 o'clock and had breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I went to work at 9 o'clock. I had lunch at 1 p.m. and I went back home at 6 p.m. In the evening, I used social media for 2 hours. Later, I had dinner at 8 p.m. I chatted with my family at night and then went to bed at 10 p.m. What about you? Okay. So keep practicing, and I will be back with another lesson. Take care. Bye.